I saw this and I said, it is for all people. And I was like, okay, so I went and looked at this. And I was like, let me dig down into this. And I looked at the Greek word and stuff like that. And I went and found the law first mentioned. And I went and I found where that phrase was stated for the first time, because I want to know, is this for all Jewish people? Is he just talking about Jewish people here? I'm like, okay. And then I'm like, okay, is he just talking about men here? Women? Not so much. We don't need you. It's just for men. It's just for Jewish men. And when I dove down really deep and I did all of this study, what I came to find was it means all people. It's a really good translation. It means everybody. And I like this. This gives me hope, right? Because for those of you who need some good news, that times have been rough, that maybe in your past, I'm sure not recently, but maybe in your past, you made some choices that you should not have made. It's still for you, right? But you're like, but I don't even know that I believe in God. Good news that brings great joy for all people. You don't believe in God? He still came for you. But you're like, but I've been through divorce and I've made all these decisions. It's good news for great joy for all people. It is for everybody. It's like, well, I struggle with this and I made a poor decision with that. For all people. I've been to prison. For all people. It doesn't matter what your past is. It doesn't matter what you walked in here with. It is for you.